Good morning. Today is day, don't even know now. It's been a week since we've come to India and we finally reached Kera. It's the morning. We've woken up late because we haven't slept in ages and chilling outside now. Got our new little friend. Oh, I can't zoom in. Can you see the catch ball? Mom's over here. Finally home. Our pet catchball. We named him Jeevan.
He's coming closer and closer. Why is he not scared?
He won't be scared of us. He's so cute. Let's see how he climbs up. Will he be able to?
Don't you dare climb up. Go the other way.
You're so rude.
You turn right now.
Wow. Look at the... Oh, look at him. Look at the detail on this. The shell is so good. Oh, he's
See,
U-turned.
can you not hear it?
It's only a small sound.
Come on, go there. Oh, go far, Brian. Here, you can use that. Ready? Moti thegi
Busy working away. Why is her face like that? I have no idea. She's doing maths homework, I think. And I am doing work as well. It's 2:02. We'll have lunch soon.
Are you picturing me?
Yeah.
Get that camera out of my face.
जो लाइट આવી The power had gone
Oh, it's nice.
around 30 minutes ago and it didn't come back for a while. So we were struggling, but it's back now. आज लंच में रोटली है મગનું શાક ના મગનું દાળ રીંગણા બટેટાનું શાક અને એ ભાત ready for lunch. So good, man. Already had the rotli. It tastes so nice.
You go straight like this.
No.
ini masalah ini sini dia. Ayo, thank you.
Oh wait, there's pasta in the fridge, right?
No, so we bought one from the shop, right? Sidi,
Did she even buy it? Did she buy it?
I get this.
I was the whole time I was so thirsty.
When she, you know, when you drink,
Yeah.
look, you drink like this.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm gonna wee myself.
Finish it. That's why I do it.
So this is the new mini market that's opened in Kera. Get everything in there. Piki Uncle's gone to buy Weetabix.
Let's go check it.
Okay, we're gonna go see it.
Yeah.
This mini market has everything, all the daily things that you need. It's pretty cool. Don't have to go all the way to D-Mart in Bhuj. Look, she's found something. Shower gel. Mummy shower gel gutti nakhyo.
Here, toilet rolls here.
We'll get it when we come back.
Eco.
And remind me when you come back, we'll buy you.
Butterscotch ice cream. Have to get it. We have come to Maruti in Kera, a fairly new restaurant with unlimited lunch and dinner. Get pizza, garlic bread, chips, burger, and there's a salad bar here as well, where you can get pasta and different salads. Walking around Gam. We're going to eat shop.
It means they understand what the hell.
8.
Do the Monday. You come after, right? એટલે અહીંયા ગરદી થતી ને બધી.
We have come to the market now, which is in the back streets of Kera. It's not that busy as we've come in the morning. Look at all these fresh fruits and vegetables. On the hunt for some mutton. Kera no mechanic. He was trying to change the shower head because my mother says there's not enough power. So we went to Kera to get a new shower head. Let's see if this is better for mum now. That's the new shower head we got from Kera. For me, for you, I didn't complain about the power.
No que nemi que vari Kera que di pachi ni ave. Jo shower animal to Kera ni ave.
No, I just said there was no hot water.
I mean, थोड़ा टैट कर जो ना कमा माथे पर से.
He's using a glove. This is some Kenyan style mechanic. There you go. ના હાલ્યું જો મમ્મી જો પાવર આવ્યું સરસ પાવર એ હવે હાલી કે નહીં ઓ આખું બીનું થાયરું. Now she asked if there will be hot water.
That's a
Seriously?
dumb question about
Jesus.
What is from the geyser? લીમડો ખપે
ચોરાનું શાક અને રોટલી અને સેલડ.
આ મારું જો મારું
અને મમ્મીનું
રોટલો
રોટલો ચોરાનું શાક બગ અને જો મરચા ને આંથું. Raw. So mum just ironed all the outfits that have been washed and she's bought here. Yeah, and now she's folding them like a professional. Look at her. She spent so much time in the shop, she's learned how to fold them. Look at her. Now she's going to say, it's because I learned it from Update Clothing.
yes
See? Look at her. Wow. Professional. Gonna be tapery. She's got the fan on. And she says gonna be tapery. It's bloody 13 degrees outside and she says it's gonna be tapery. And I'm in a jumper. It's cold outside.
13 degree का है
Yeah, whatever. It's cold. 15, I think it is.
जो a couple wash
Having fresh chibru from the market that Hunter Ben got in Kera. Oh, Jesus. It's actually really nice while working. Again, we're in the same spot as the other day. She's doing her artwork. Look at her face. And Mum, what happened just now?
the car broke down
Broke down, yeah.
and we had to come back from Baradia so
So now
no
she's
more
stuck.
shopping today.
No shopping today.